everyone. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a largemouth bass on our paper. We're going to need a pencil. I'm going to use Sharpie so you can see what I'm drawing. Want a piece of paper, we're going to turn it this direction. You're going to need some crayons. I have colors here. You're going to need brown, pink, 3 shades of green, some red, and some gray. All right. So if you get all those supplies together, we'll get started. All right, up here in this corner and about this area right here, we're going to draw a little circle. Like that. Then we're going to connect to the side of this a little bit bigger circle. Like that. And then one more time, we're going to draw a bigger circle that connects to the side there. All right, now the middle circle, we're going to color that in. So it's going to make his eye. The middle part stays white, that's the reflection. Okay, up at the top here, we're going to draw a curve. And then down at the bottom, we're going to draw another curve that just touches the eye, right there. Okay, next we need to draw a little mark right here. It's going to be the start of his mouth. All right, I'm going to draw a smile line right here that stays close to this line. Comes out here pretty far. All right, then we're going to draw the bottom of the mouth. So we're going to start same spot right here, come down, around, and stop. Stop right there. Right now, then we're going to kind of change the angle a little bit and just connect that right there. All right, now we got to draw his lips. We're going to start right here, kind of curve around, trace back around. When you get up here toward the top, make it thinner. So it connects back there. And then we're going to do this side. We're going to start right here, go out around, and then back and get thinner and touch right there. Okay, in his mouth, we need a tongue. So I'm going to draw a curve, and then another curve. Okay, now we need to draw his nose. So we're gonna start right here off of his lip and connect that up to the top of his eyebrow here. So just kind of make a curve there at the back of his eye, in line with this part that we just drew, and draw a big C shape that comes around for his body and his tail. So just curve around and back down there. All right, then we're going to come down here on the bottom of his bottom lip, and we're going to draw his belly. So we want to draw sort of a curved line to right here. And then we're going to come around for his tail. Like that. All right, we're going to draw his gills on the back side of his eyes right here. It's going to be sort of a curved line down and touch the bottom. And then we're going to draw another one right here that kind of connects in the middle. So it's almost like a letter Y that's been bent. Right there. Okay, down at the bottom he's got 2 little fins we're going to add right here. And they're kind of triangle shaped. So we're going to just draw a rounded off triangle. One here, and then one that's above the line a little bit. That, and you could erase that line right there. I'm not going to, but we're going to draw some lines inside of it, so hopefully you won't notice with me using Sharpie. Okay, now we need to draw a little fin on the side right here, so just going to draw a little C shape or a little curved line right there, and then draw another sort of triangular shape for his side fin. Add a couple texture lines in there. All right, now we need to move down and complete his tail. So we're going to draw a big shape like this for one fin, and then we want to draw the other one similar to this, and then connect it right there. All right, do a little V shape right here, and then some more texture lines on his tail. All right, we need to draw his back. big fin up here. So we're gonna draw a curve up, and then we're gonna do a wavy line like this. 1U, 2U, 3U. And then when we get to the end of the 3U, then we're gonna curve out and down. Like that. A couple more texture lines. Like that. All right, then we can do a few fish scales. You don't have to do all over his body, but just some here and there to give him a little texture. Some of them can be together and some apart. Okay, so that's pretty much our largemouth bass. Of course, it's a cartoon, but now we need to add some color to it. So the largemouth bass, their belly is kind of a different color than their back. So I'm gonna take my light color crayon and I'm gonna draw a line that comes around here, kind of connects to the fin on the side, and then up this way. So I know all this down here is gonna get colored this lighter yellow color, or green. It's called green yellow. So just pick out a lighter color. If you don't have green yellow, you can just use yellow. That's okay too. And if you wanna color with markers or oil pastels or something else, or maybe you wanna paint it, that'd be fun too. You could paint it. Paint it all in. Okay, we're also gonna use this color to color in his lips because they're kind of a lighter color. I hope the camera's not shaking while I'm doing this too badly. All right, and then right here around his head, this is also a little bit yellowish or yellow-green right in here. In this area. All right, now I'm gonna switch to some medium color. Well, actually the dark green. Do dark green next. On the side of their body, they have these like dark patches of green. So I'm gonna just kind of draw some U shapes here that kind of connect to that. And you can draw right over any of your fins. As you get down here, they're a little bit smaller. And some of them might be like actual spots, so you can just do that. All right, so I'm gonna color these all in. And there might be a few of those up here too. Just to give it a little. All right, now we're gonna go with mediums. I've used the light, the dark, and now this is the medium. So I'm gonna color in the rest of him, his body, with this lighter green color.
Just a little trick as you're coloring, if you want your coloring to look really smooth, if you color with little circles, as you're coloring, like color circles, it'll look really smooth and even.
Alright, we're gonna go in with a little bit of this color on here. His fins. And get a little bit of the dark color and go over it with that. Kind of fill in. And then the last color go back with. All right, now we need to work on his head here. So again, we're gonna go back to the medium green color. Color in the top of his head. Around here. I'm gonna stop right here. We'll make that a little bit darker right there under his eye. Get a little bit of dark green. Just color right here a little bit with the dark green. You can leave that white right there. And you can blend these colors a little bit if you want to color back over the dark. Just adding some lines in here so it looks like he's kind of bending, like he is. Okay. All right, now we need to do the mouth. So I'm gonna do some red on his tongue. And then go back with a little bit of pink. Just kind of blend that together there with the red. Okay. Then we can use our gray. I'm gonna just draw a line right here. This is gonna be gray. And then in here, I'm gonna use some brown. For the back of his mouth. All right, oh, we forgot that fin right there. All right, let's go back, add some more colors here. Going with the three greens. There we go. Okay, if you want to, you can add some more details. If you want to draw some water down here, you could do like a little wavy line, like he's jumping out of the water. You could do a few splashes coming off his tail. Like he's jumping out of the water. What do you think he's jumping after? Is there a lure out here or maybe a bug that he wants to eat? Think about it and create your own ideas. Add more to the picture. All right, well, thanks for drawing the bass with me. I hope you enjoyed it and show me your results. All right, bye.